Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing, MBI. And after we finished the last video on putting in on farming and staking our LP tokens, I started to kind of like look, and I'm like, wait a minute, like why are my LP tokens only worth $58 when I did 100, right? I picked up $100 worth of Quick tokens, $100 worth of Matic, and $100 in Ethereum. So this is what I always do. I always go back and check and look over things, make sure everything's on the up and up. Well, the problem is I didn't continue through and follow through and approve everything that I needed to. And that is, again, one of the big problems with EVM, especially dealing with QuickSwap here. It is a little tricky. You really have to look at everything. And I'm over here getting ready to log into my ledger. Entered the wrong password. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. So what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Pooled assets. So I'm farming here. Add liquidity. So let's try to get back to where we were. Get LP tokens. Takes us here. All right. So we already have the approved ETH in our wallet. We need to continue with this. So max. What is the max? How much do I have? I have 85. I have 5, 3. I don't even know if I have enough. Max. Going to be approving some more transactions. Approve wrapped Matic. $85. Yeah. Review. And we wrap it. Accept. Not the most intuitive. Lots of transactions. Lots of fees. And we'll get that liquidity, confirm it, and another transaction. Yet another transaction. We're transactioned out. And we'll view that transaction. 22 seconds later, it should be ready to roll. Do we have to manually refresh? Yeah, it finished. We're good to go. Close out. Go back to farm. And we do yet another transaction. My farms. Click there. Max. Approve. Next. Approve. Approve the transaction on my ledger. Stake. And approve. Depositing the liquidity. All right. So it looks like some pricing is, adjusted and changed. Did it pull? I think it pulled rewards. Pulled my rewards whenever you do a transaction, apparently. I want to add Quick to my wallet. We'll do that another time, I guess. But follow-up video to the 30-minute video that I just dropped. Now it's saying I got a bunch of Ethereum. $81 in Ethereum. Wrapped Ethereum. That's weird. Let's see. Let's see what that's about. So we're down. We did our thing there. I got Ethereum left over. Did Ethereum's price go back up or something? What's going on? My farms. I got $117. Yeah, I should have more, right? Let's keep going. Let's get our, what is it? Get LP. Insufficient wrapped medic. Let's say I have 0.04. Is that right? Yeah, 0.048. Which is like, that's so weird. So I would need to my ETH is approved, but that's just so weird. That's so crazy. Double check. Oh, everything looks good there. Matic didn't pump or anything. It's just weird. I'll have to probably do. They need like a zap feature. So I've got to swap half of this ETH for Matic and then split it, do 50-50, and then go forward. So the next video we'll troubleshoot and figure it all out. But again, EVM, it's why I really like Cardano. But we'll figure it out, and we'll get to the money. Thank you for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.